Hello everyone, welcome to the Rising Wave channel. Today I'm going to share with you a live demo of real-time customer segmentation for e-commerce platforms.
In e-commerce, the window of opportunity is measured in seconds. A customer showing strong buying intent might leave your site moments later, and a high-value shopper might become dormant after a single bad experience.
So instead of asking who were our most valuable customers yesterday, we need to be able to react the instant a user's behavior changes their segment. This is the promise of real-time segmentation.
To make these segments meaningful, our demo combines two powerful models. RFM model scores users based on their long-term value, looking at the recency, frequency, and monetary value of their past purchases. And behavioral patterns model provides an immediate pulse on what a user is doing right now.
By blending historical context with real-time behavior, we can create nuanced segments like dormant high-value customers or high-potential customers.
Now, let's start building this demo. First, we need to collect data for each user. Generally speaking, all of a user's browsing and click records are logged by the platform. In this demo, however, the key events we need to focus on are their item views, cart additions, and purchases. For these three types of events, we will generate a stream of event data. Additionally, for purchase events, we will also generate a stream of order data to track users' purchase status. For the convenience of this demonstration, I have pre-generated 15,000 sessions using a Python script. These sessions simulate various behaviors that users might exhibit while browsing the shopping platform. And from these behaviors, event stream and order stream data are generated. These data will be input into Kafka and then received by the Rising Wave database.
Next, we need to leverage materialized views to perform real-time aggregation on these raw data streams. For the event stream, we will count the number of the three types of events for each user within 2 months. These aggregated data will be used for scoring in the behavioral pattern model. As for the RFM model, its scoring is based on the order stream. We will calculate the timestamp of a user's most recent purchase, the total number of historical orders, and the total consumption amount, which will serve as references for recency, frequency, and monetary.
In this demo, the scoring criteria are as shown in the table. Of course, these criteria can be adjusted according to the actual circumstances of users on different e-commerce platforms. They are only used for demonstration purposes here. After obtaining the scores from the two models, we can segment the customers. For example, if a user scores above 4 in both the RFM model and the behavioral pattern model, they will be categorized as an active customer. Meanwhile, a user with high browse scores and intent scores, but a low purchase score, will be categorized as a high potential customer. Due to the incremental update feature of Rising Wave's materialized views, when a user uses the e-commerce platform, their score will be updated in real time based on browsing data. Therefore, our customer segmentation is highly real-time.
At the end of the video, let me show you our demo. First, we use a script to simulate the generation of some user data. And then we launch this demo. As you can see, what is displayed on this dashboard is the segmentation of all users at the current moment, including 27 active customers, 341 ordinary customers, 72 churned customers, 1 dormant high-value customer, and 27 new users. At the top of the dashboard, we can also add some data in real time to simulate the scenario where users are using the e-commerce platform. When we click this button, we can see that the data on our dashboard also changes in real time, with high immediacy.
That's all for this video. We would truly appreciate it if you could subscribe to our channel, and thank you all so much for watching.